I have seriously not been awake for like the last 3 days or 4 days because I worked the last 3 nights. So I finally like forced myself to wake up at noon, and yeah, now I'm at the Connecticut Science Center. I keep calling it the Space Center. I don't know why, but I'm at the Connecticut Science Center. I saw that there were butterflies here, and that was like the main attraction. I have not been to a science center since I was like in grade school, so I'm curious to see like what it will be and if it's actually something that's tailored to my age. But I wanted to do something today, so I decided that that would be okay. So if all in all it ends up not being that good, at least I saw some butterflies. So yeah, I am going to get to it, and I hope that I enjoy this day because I have 2 more days off and then I'm back on nights again. Hello, I'm back from the Science Center. You can see that I'm home. I'm also well rested because after I came home, I was so tired from the Science Center that I literally came home. That was the reason why I came home. I want to spend a little more time in Hartford, but I was just too tired and I didn't feel like drinking caffeine. So I came home, I slept for 4 hours, but the Space Center was so much fun. I obviously love the butterflies the most, but a very close second was the space exhibit. I think it was because it was tailored to like older crowds. The other stuff was tailored to like younger children, which totally makes sense. It's a science center, but it was super fun. There was a lot of things to learn. There was like things that you could go on, things that you could sit in, and the one thing that I loved the most was that there was like this lounge chair. It reminded me of being on vacation, which is probably why I liked it the most. But it was super fun because there was a screen like right above my face, and I could like use the controllers and like go through the moon and go through the Milky Way and kind of get facts about different things in the solar system. So I love that the most, but besides for the butterflies, of course, I went grocery shopping on my way home because I figured I wasn't gonna wake up and it was gonna be dark and I didn't want to go to the grocery store. Thankfully I did because it's pretty late and I wouldn't go to the grocery store. I would probably just order DoorDash if I'm being honest. But I picked up some things. I'm gonna make some pesto. This is the first time I haven't made pesto like from scratch or bought it from a can. So it literally just calls for milk, but I only have oat milk, so I hope it doesn't taste like crap. But I bought some salmon. It looks so good. And you know, I love seafood here. I think. I actually haven't tried it yet, but this just looks so fresh, and it's a huge piece of salmon. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna make some noodles with it, I think, and I'm gonna meal prep for work because I usually don't like meal prepping the night before I go into work, I don't know why, it's just a weird thing that I don't enjoy doing. So if I meal prep now for the next couple days, I won't have to worry about it. And I only work, I think 2 days or 1 day in a row, so that's perfect. The pesto smells so good, but I'm bringing out a secret ingredient and I'm going to add some Parmesan. In the middle of making food, my smoke alarms went off. And there was literally nothing to set these smoke alarms off. My noodles were already on the plate. My salmon had 2 minutes left in the air fryer. Nothing was smoking at all. So like run to the smoke detectors because mind you, it's 3 a.m. Literally 3 o'clock in the morning. And I feel so bad because there is a person living below me. So I like ran to the smoke detectors, was like trying to fan them, trying to jump up and turn them off. And then literally once I got the first one off, the second one started going off, the one that's in the bedroom. And I'm like, I felt so bad. But anyways, my food looks so good. It literally turned out so well. I love air fryer salmon. Like I said, I will never cook salmon any other way. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I have 2 more days off, but to be honest, I might film something, I might not. I'm probably just gonna have some chill days here, catching up on editing and stuff like that. So, and starting to pack. I'm gonna start packing up my stuff because I'm leaving pretty soon from this Airbnb. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you next week.